Pag-aralan ng wasto, panatiling sariwang hangin.
Ano po ang sinasabi dito sa DENR Administrative Order 2014-02? Sabi po dito, revised guidelines for PCO or Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. At basahin natin ang nakasulat dito, yung nasa Section 6. Dito, tumutukoy sa Section 6 ang qualification requirements for PCO or Pollution Control Officer. Nakalagay dito sa item number 1, basic qualification. So ano ang qualification para sa isang Pollution Control Officer? So una, meron tayong Filipino citizen of legal age with good moral character and mentally and physically healthy. Yan. Pangalawa, full-time employee of the establishment where he or she is being appointed or designated as PCO. At sa pangatlo, sa basic qualification, has completed the basic PCO training course by an EMB recognized training organization or institution within the last 3 years. So, nabasa natin yung basic qualification sa isang PCO. Isa nga dito ang nakapag-complete ng basic PCO training course. So, without the training, without the certificate of training, kulang tayo sa basic qualification. So kung gusto natin ma-satisfy yung basic qualification for PCO, i-observe natin yung tatlong ito, lalong-lalo itong nasa letter C, has completed the basic PCO training course. So ang JP Environment Consultancy Services with recognition number 2026-16-R ay mag-o-offer ng basic training course for pollution control officer. At in conformity ito sa binasa natin kanina, DENR Administrative Order number 2014-02 entitled Revised Guidelines for Pollution Control Officer Accreditation. At ito ay gaganapin sa September 1 to 4. At ito ay sa El Grande Residential Hotel and Resort, Barangay San Carlos, Lipas City, Batangas. At pagkatapos ng maka-attend ng training, syempre magkakaroon ka ng Certificate of Completion na gagamitin natin sa pag-apply ng PCO accreditation. Kung babasahin natin ang nakasulat dito sa Section 8, Accreditation of PCOs. The managing heads of establishments, LGUs, and other government institutions shall apply for the accreditation of their appointed or designated PCO at the concerned EMB regional office within 15 calendar days from the date of appointment or designation. Tapos baba tayo dito, sabi dito sa number 1, the managing head or his or her duly authorized representative shall submit to the concerned EMB regional office the following requirements for the accreditation of his or her PCO. Ano tong mga requirements? Letter of appointment or designation as PCO of the establishment, curriculum vitae with ID picture of the appointed or designated PCO. Notarized affidavit of joint undertaking of the PCO and the managing head, proof of the appointee's qualification such as the certificate of training of basic PCO training. And for Category B establishments include the valid Professional Regulation Commission license if applicable. At meron pa dito, for the managing head of establishments, 8 hours training on environmental management covering the basic environmental laws, rules, and regulations, and the duties and responsibilities of the PCO as provided in Section 10 of this order. So, kailangan natin ang PCO na umattend ng basic PCO training course kasi kailangan ito sa pag-apply ng accreditation sa EMB Regional Office. So sa September 1 to 4 ay gaganapin ang basic training course for PCO at ito ay sa El Grande Residential Hotel and Resort, Barangay San Carlos, Lipa City, Batangas. At kung gusto mong umattend dito, meron tayong matatanggap na training materials, handbook, worksheet, bag, notebook, ballpen. O tumawag lamang dito sa 0998-543-5466, 0917-360-1178 para sa inquiry natin sa basic training course for PCO. Siyempre, kasama na dyan ang food, training kits, training materials, certificate of completion, at sa mga electronic training materials. So, kailangan natin na umattend dito at pagkatapos nating maka-attend, makukuha natin ang Certificate of Training of Basic PCO Training at ito ay gagamitin natin pag-apply ng accreditation dito sa PCO Online Application System. So sa PCO Online Application System na nakikita natin on the screen, diyan natin isasubmit ang kopya ng Certificate of Training. Siyempre, dapat may account ka dito. And once na maipasa mo yung mga requirements na sinasabi dito sa Section 8 ng DAO 2014-02, subject for evaluation. Pagka pinagbayad ka na ng processing fee amounting to 500 pesos, so may order of payment, pag nabayaran mo na rin yon, tuloy-tuloy na yan. Sabi nga dito sa item number 2, the regional director shall act on the application for accreditation of the appointed or designated PCO within 15 calendar days from receipt of the application. And for approved application, the regional director shall issue the certificate of accreditation containing, among others, the responsibilities and accountabilities of the PCO and the managing head of establishment. So, naanyayaan ko kayo na umattend ng basic PCO training course sa September 1 to 4, 2026 and in compliance with DAO 2014-02. Again, tumawag lamang sa 0998-543-5466 or 0917-360-1178 or mag-email sa jpex.training@gmail.com. Lalagay na lang natin din yung number at yung email sa description ng video na ito for future reference and communication. So remember, for we to be a qualified pollution control officer, we must observe the basic qualification. Among many, item number 1 of section 6, letter C, has completed the basic PCO training course by an EMB recognized training organization or institution within the last 3 years. So, kung ikaw ay may katanungan pa kung paano maging isang pollution control officer, ano ang dapat gawin after maka-attend ng training, o kung paano mag-join sa upcoming training sa September 1 to 4, just comment it below. And kung meron pa tayong mga katanungan related pa rin sa pollution control officer, just comment it below. At kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, nakakapag-follow sa page na ito or channel, please subscribe or follow and maging updated ka sa mga future tutorials na ginagawa natin. At makatulong pa tayo sa mga bagong-bagong PCO, bagong managing head towards environmental compliance. Maraming salamat for time listening and God bless us all.
Sundin ang batas, unawain ang layunin. Mula permit hanggang sa pagpigil ng polusyon. JP para Consultancy Services, katuwang sa solusyon.